In multi-layer welding, there are a few things you need to consider for a quality weld. First, the welding parameters need to be in balance with the thickness of the welded material. The first run of the weld must be done with a steady hand and ensuring a symmetric surface to ensure a quality on the second run of the weld. In the beginning of the second run, overheating the weld must be avoided. Welding in an upward position and overheating the weld causes the melt pool to fall down. To avoid overheating, a steady upward side-by-side movement ensures an even heat input. Welcome to Weld Education 2.0, brought to you by Cavitar.